Hello, greetings everyone. In this video, I'll be talking about Aksumia Global Learning Solution. This is our consultancy firm established in the last 2 years. We do provide quite a number of professional services, and we get our motivation for Aksumia Global Learning Solution from the ancient Aksum. I don't know how many of you know about ancient Aksum. You see, such kind of obelisks are really available across Africa, and most of them, as you know, they are made from just one stone, which really is a symbol for resilience and unity. We draw a lot of motivation from such heritage. That is why when we design our services, be it a continuous professional development, research consultancy, or mentorship, we really believe in unity, strength, collaboration, and resilience. Our trainings are accredited by the Pharmacy and Poison Sport and Nursing Council of Kenya. Let me tell you about some of the trainings we have. We do provide quite a number of trainings. I believe you might have seen our website, and our website is www.agls.org. One of our training program is what we call the Global Regulatory Affairs Training. Global Regulatory Affairs Training. This is a global and international training basically, and it focuses on the regulatory affairs of or the regulatory control of both from raw materials to finished products. Training program, we cover around 13 different modules ranging from active pharmaceutical ingredients, finished pharmaceutical products, about clinical research, clinical trial, not only that, including post-market surveillance, regulation of biologicals, regulation of veterinary products, regulation of herbal products, regulation of medical supplies, and also finally dossier preparation and reporting. That is a very well packed, well organized, and also you could find it as a self-paced training program. The other training program we have is a pharmacovigilance training program, and also is patient safety, where it covers all about from ADR assessment, ADR reporting, and also the pharmacovigilance systems are very quite interesting. We also have a training on health systems management, which will really equip and give competency for people who really need to have leadership and managerial role in the health sector. Whether you are a hospital chief pharmacist, whether you are a medical doctor who need to build your managerial skill, the health systems management course is just for you. We also have a training on health supply chain management, which covers all aspects of management of health products and technologies, from product selection, quantification, forecasting, procurement, distribution, and storage. Wonderfully designed training. Coming to our clinical courses, we have trainings on diabetes management, both type 1, type 2. We start from the basics of diabetes and the whole care of diabetes management. Not only that, hypertension management is also one of our clinical based training, well facilitated by experts in the field, and you really enjoy the training. Also, we have an amazing training on oncology and radiopharmaceuticals. That is a very well structured course. Whether you are a medical student, a medical doctor, a pharmacist, or a clinician practicing, that is for you, because in that course we cover the whole continuum from the basics, from the molecular basis of cancer to treatment of cancer, the chemotherapeutic agents, radiopharmaceuticals, and management of different malignancies will be captured. We also have an amazing training on pain management, covering both pharmacological and non-pharmacological options in management of pain. Maybe you are also interested on skincare. We have a training on clinical dermatology, which will guide you, or which will help you to understand management of disorders of different conditions of the skin, be it bacterial conditions of the skin, bacterial infections of the skin, viral infections of the skin, inflammatory conditions of skin, pigmentation disorders, quite a lot. That clinical dermatology course is also blended and supported by our cosmetic science course. Quite interesting. If you are interested on skin, hair, and nail care, that training is for you, because it can equip you about the different cosmetic products which are available in the pharmacy. So if you are stocking a cosmetic product, I think this is your course, because you should have a grounded knowledge before dispensing or issuing those products to your clients. Quite interesting is our clinical research methods and data analysis course, which will equip you on the basics of doing research. And recently we have established an AGLS Research and Publication Academy. If you have not heard, this is a new in our platform, where we have started now to support, whether you are an undergraduate student, whether you are a master's or a PhD student, or even you are a university lecturer. Now this course is for you. Maybe you are a researcher. Maybe you are planning to write a research proposal, a research concept, or you have the research proposal, but you need support for data collection or analysis, or you have done the research, you have the report, but you need to translate this research to an abstract to go and present it to the conference, or you might need to translate that research report to a publication. Then come, we can work with you. We can take you the journey, we can consult you, we can advise you, we can assist you so that you can see how your research could be translated to an impactful publication in reputable journals. This can help also university lecturers looking for promotion. I believe this is also for you. So in whatever we do, we really believe in collaboration and unity. And you can also check on our website on lms.agls.org for all our services, where in our platform, what makes it unique, you can access quite a number of our professional development courses, which can help you to start, maybe self-paced, or you could also check for our live training. I'm going to take you through briefly, if you are interested, on how to start our training on our learning platform. In this small step, I will guide you on how you can register. If you go to our website, or if you add the link lms.agls.org, the first thing you'll see in this website is options to log in or register. So as a new user, please click the button register. You fill your details, and then once you're done, you'll be prompted an email to activate your account, and then automatically you log in. Make sure you use your username should be in lowercase, and try to remember that. But in case of the registration or login process, if you face a problem or a challenge, feel free to reach out on these numbers and email address provided in this screen. Then once you log in, try to go through any of our course. You can try to see the course, you can read a detail about the course. Then finally, if you are satisfied, if that is what you need, you have option to enroll. So the enrollment options could be either by making payments through M-Pesa or PesaPal, where the M-Pesa you add your number, which will be prompted, or PesaPal, where you will be given options from M-Pesa to use also your cards. And not only through payment, we also do provide quite a number of free trainings, especially to students, to young professionals, to interns, okay? And this certificate, what you can see here is one of the acknowledgement letter we received from the Young Pharmacist Group, which is part of the group in Pharmaceutical Society of Kenya, where we do provided quite a number of trainings for their members, for total training accounting for more than 200K. And we are so grateful, and we continue to do that one in this year too. So thank you. We always say AGLS is your trusted partner for your learning and professional development. See you. Thank you.